Abu Idris Kholani states that Hazrat Huzaifa bin Yaman radiyallahu anhu states by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I am the most knowledgeable person among you, all people. But the turmoil which are destined to appear in the period intervening me and the last hour, it was my relation with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam told me those secrets which he did not tell anyone else. One day he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was giving a lecture on turmoils in a meeting in which I was also present. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, counting the strifes, said, there are 3 such strifes as will not spare anything. Some of the strifes are like the storms in summer. Some are small and some are big. Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu said, all the participants of that meeting, saves me, have now gone died. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7191.